Dear students, today the topic is about preposition. Today I will discuss the rules of preposition and its importance of preposition. So first of all, what is a preposition? Preposition is a word that is used to link a noun or a pronoun with other words in the sentence. That is, see the example, the cat is sitting under the table. So what is the preposition here? It is under. So there is a link between whom? That is link between the cat and the table. So the preposition is a word that joins the two sentences. That is, the cat is sitting and the remaining one, the table. That is, by the word preposition under, these two sentences are linked. So preposition is a word that is used to link a noun or a pronoun with other words or sentences. So preposition has been divided into three types. Number one is preposition of time, then the second one is preposition of place, and the third one is preposition of direction. So what do you mean by preposition of time? Preposition that describes when an event occurs is preposition of time. That is, it describes the event, when the event has been occurred, or when it is occurred, or when it will occur. So it means preposition of time. Say at, in, on. So when we are using at, we are using at a precise time. That is, when time is mentioned, or then we are using at. Then the next one is in. When we are using in, that is when month is given, year is mentioned, then decade is mentioned, then we are using in. And on, when we are using on, that is when days are there and dates, days and dates, for that two things we are using on. Say for example, I have a meeting at 9 a.m. So what is mentioned here? 9 a.m. is mentioned here. 9 a.m. means what? It describes the time. I have a meeting at 9 a.m. I am having a meeting at what time? That is at 9 a.m. So at is the preposition. He was born in the year 1990. So what is mentioned here? He was born in the year. Year is mentioned. So that is time. And then Ram was born on 6th March. Say on March. Place that is, the date has been given on 6th March. So at that time we are using at, on, in. So now preposition of place. So what is preposition of place? Preposition that describes where an event or thing is called preposition of place. So what is preposition of place? As I have told, event where an event or thing is described. So now the example, he is in the class. So what is mentioned here? Place is mentioned here. Place has been described. So before that we are using in. Sita is at the bus stop. So where is Sita? Sita is at the bus stop. So bus stop is the place here. So for that we have put at. Then the next one, the picture is being hanged on the wall. So the picture is hanging or being hanged on the wall. That is on the wall. Where is the picture hanged? It is on the wall. The place has been mentioned. So the next one is preposition of direction. So what is preposition of direction? Preposition of that describes where to go. The preposition, which I am repeating it once again, preposition that describes where to go is called preposition of direction. That is place or location. Say for example, He went to England. England has been mentioned here. So what is the England? It is a place or location. So before that we have put to. Then the next one is he flew from Guwahati to Delhi to see his ailing father. So where from he had gone? From England to from Guwahati to Delhi to meet his ailing father. That is, place has been mentioned here. So before place, what we are putting? We are putting to. Then the next one. See the next one, that is the most important one. About when we are putting about, that is about a particular thing has been mentioned. About a particular thing, about a thing is mentioned. Then above, when we are putting above, where we are putting above, that is above is the opposite of below. That is, higher point has been mentioned, higher position has been mentioned. So before that we are putting above. Then the next one, among. Among, when we are using among, that is among is used with more than two or more than two persons or things. That is, when we are distributing a thing between among two or things, then we are putting used more than two persons. When we are putting among, that is among is put before two persons or things. More than two persons, not before. The next one, before. Before, when we are putting before, that is when point of time is mentioned. Point of time is mentioned. Earlier than, that is, it is also time. Then behind, where we are putting behind, at the back of a place. That is, when back of a place is mentioned, at that time we are putting behind. Below, is the opposite of above. So when lower portion has been described in the sentence, before that we are putting below. Then beneath, also, before, below, under. So when below is mentioned or under is mentioned, before that we are putting beneath. Then beside. Beside means by the side of. In a particular sentence, when it is mentioned that by the side of, then when it is implied by the side of, then we are putting beside. Then the next one is between. In the middle of the two person or things. When we are putting between, is mentioned when two things or two persons has been mentioned. Then by. By means when agent or doer of action, agent is there in the sentence, or doer of action is there in the sentence, at that time we are putting by. Then for, when we are putting for, that is when a period of time has been mentioned in the sentence, before it we are putting for. Then from, it denotes starting point. That is, when a starting point has been, when a particular time has been mentioned, say the starting point, before that we are putting from. Of, that is relating to, something is related to something, at that point of time we are putting of is used, or we are putting of. Now there is a difference between of, of and OFF. When away has been mentioned, that it implies, the sentence implies something away. At that time, say the bird flew away. The bird flew away. So OFF, off. The bird flew away. So at that time we put off. Over, that is opposite of under. Say the sky is over our head. Since, that is a point of time, a particular time has been mentioned. The example I am giving here, say it has been raining since morning. So a point of time has been mentioned in the sentence. I am repeating it once again. It has been raining since morning. A particular point of time has been mentioned. And what is the point of time here? That is raining since morning. So morning is the point of time. So before that we are placing which preposition? That is since. Now throw. From end to end. That is, when end to end is mentioned, at that time throw is used. Then till. Till implies up to the point. That is, up to a certain point. Then towards. In the direction of. Then under, space lower than. Space, when lower space is mentioned, space lower than, say the cat is under the table. So under is the place, and where is the cat? The cat is under the table. Then with, that is in the company of. When the company of is mentioned, that is with, that is person must be mentioned here in the sentence. In the company of. Company implies what? Person. Then within. Within, that is before the end or the expiry or the period of time. So within, you must say, you must return the book within tomorrow or within next week. So before the end, that is before the expiry or the period of time. Expiry of the period of time. So at that point of time we have to mention within. So I hope you have understood the topic preposition, and preposition is necessary in each and every aspects of our life. Without preposition we cannot write a single sentence. So preposition is very much important in our life. So without preposition we cannot write a single sentence. So I hope you have understood the rules of preposition.